10 things no one tells you about giving birth. Childbirth, typically what comes to mind is the immense amount of pain combined with unbridled happiness and love that comes from giving birth to your bundle of joy. That being said, your friends, mother and grandmother sometimes hide a few things from mothers to be. Of course, they have their reasons not to tell you, possibly to save you from knowing certain unfortunate things, or they just do not want to scare you, because some truths about giving birth are downright gross and weird.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
First, the number 2 feeling. This point may be a little shocking, but you ought to know while giving birth, you know how everyone yells push, push. While pushing, you will feel the need to use the toilet. Because of all the pushing and pressure, you have no control over the need to run to the toilet. Second, the doctor may vacuum your baby out. Now, this may be a little too much to handle. God forbid this happen to any mother-to-be. But if you have any problem during your pregnancy, such as high blood pressure, for safety, the doctor may have to vacuum the baby out. Third, more Maxi pads. This may be a well-known point, the bleeding right after you give birth. What you may not know is that there will be too much blood loss that more than one person will be cleaning the mess up. The blood, however, does not stop there, due to the fact that your period is on pause for 9 months. Right after birth, it will resume for some weeks. 4. Lots of pain. Pain-wise, contraction can be absolute worst. You may think they're like menstrual cramps because that is how the pain starts, but it quickly and tortuously becomes unbearable on your lower back and lower abdomen. This can be avoided if you ask for epidural. 5th, your water breaking. In the movies and perhaps for some women, your water bursts once. However, that may not be the truth. The water, which is amniotic fluid that protects your baby, can trickle down all day long. The continuous trickling calls for a giant Maxi pad, and unfortunately, this is the beginning of your Maxi pad journey. 6. A squirt bottle in the place of a tissue paper. Heard of a squirt bottles for giving birth? They're actually called perineum irrigation, which are known for squirting warm water after going to the 100 to ensure your stitches aren't irritated, along with ensuring you aren't rough with yourself. 7th, too much of hair fall. A hard pill to swallow is losing a lot of hair. Yes, your hair is thick and strong during pregnancy thanks to all the estrogen. But after you give birth, the estrogen levels drop, causing a higher percentage of your hair fall. 8th, swollen feet. Swollen feet are a common side effect to pregnancy. However, after delivery, you may notice that in spite of the swelling decreasing, your feet size may still be larger than what it was. This may be temporary for some women, but for some it can be permanent. 9th, too much of sweat in nights. Sweaty nights are something to get used to for the first few weeks. You can wake up in the massive sweat that make you wonder if you're down with flu. The sweating can occur throughout the night and may call for a change of sheets. 10th, you might wear a mommy diaper. Maxi pads that are worn when your water breaks and during post-pregnancy for your periods can be known as mommy diapers. They are literally diapers for new mothers. Yes, they do help with blood. But did you know that they have another use? This glorified diaper has ice in it to provide relief from the post-birth.